Most drivers kill their car's transmission without even realizing it, and when it goes bad, you're stuck with a repair bill that could cost thousands. But what if I told you there's a simple trick that could double your transmission's lifespan and save you from a financial nightmare? Let's dive into the secrets that mechanics use to keep transmissions running strong, and what you should start doing right now. First, warm up before you drive off. Jumping in your car and racing away on a cold morning is a silent killer for your transmission. The fluid inside is thick when cold and doesn't lubricate properly. Let your car idle for 30 to 60 seconds before shifting into drive, especially in colder climates. Second, use the right transmission fluid. Not all fluids are created equal. Using a generic brand instead of the one recommended in your owner's manual could wreck the internal components over time. Stick to OEM-approved fluid. It's not just branding, it's engineering. Third, don't ignore that small leak. That little red puddle under your car, it's not harmless. Transmission leaks mean low fluid levels, and low fluid equals overheating and friction. Fix small leaks early before they become a full-blown transmission failure. Fourth, never shift while the car is moving. Going from reverse to drive or vice versa while the car is still rolling, that puts huge stress on the gears. Always come to a complete stop before shifting. This small habit protects your transmission in the long run. If you tow trailers or haul heavy loads, your transmission heats up fast. A transmission cooler can drastically reduce overheating, which is honestly the #1 cause of failure in hardworking vehicles. And hey, don't ride the brakes on hills. Holding your car in place with just the brakes while on an incline keeps pressure on the transmission too. Use the parking brake, it's there for a reason, and can save your gearbox from excessive wear. Topping off fluid without flushing out the old gunk is like adding clean water to a dirty bucket. Over time, debris and burnt fluid can cause damage. Just follow your car's service schedule and do a full flush when recommended. Also, avoid aggressive driving. Rapid acceleration and sudden stops might feel thrilling, but they wear out your transmission fast. Smooth and steady driving habits give your transmission a longer, healthier life. If your car has a Tiptronic or manual shift mode, use it wisely. Constantly redlining or downshifting hard can fry the transmission. Really, understand how your system works. It's not the same as a true manual. And don't skip maintenance. Many people wait until something goes wrong before seeing a mechanic, but transmission issues creep up slowly. A regular inspection every 30,000 to 60,000 miles can catch problems before they become wallet killers. Want your car to last 300,000 miles without a single transmission failure? Just follow these tips, treat your car with respect, and you'll drive smoother and save thousands in repairs. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to Gear Specs, and tap the bell so you never miss another car-saving secret. Stay smart, stay safe, and keep those gears shifting smooth.